Preseason testing is back, but while it may just seem an exercise in Formula One, cars touring endlessly around the desert in Bahrain, there are plenty of questions. Will Ferrari produce a car good enough to give Lewis Hamilton a chance to fight for the driver's title? Can Max Verstappen win a record equaling 5th consecutive world championship? We get our first clues on that over 3 days before lights out at the season-opening Australian Grand Prix. However, some questions are a lot more immediate and are unique to the environments of testing around the Sakir circuit. One of those concern the huge metal fences seen near the front of the cars that you will rarely see during a Grand Prix season, but are constant testing, otherwise known as aero rakes. Aero rakes resemble metal fences that are mounted on the car. The aero rakes consist of sensors that can measure pressure and temperature, for example, but can also measure how the airflow flows from, for example, the tires or the front wing. Teams can compare data from the wind tunnel with data from the aero rakes to come up with a better aerodynamic setup for a particular circuit. From the data from the aero rakes, teams can see how different settings change the car's performance. In this way, it can be determined whether, for example, the front wing needs to be adjusted a little for more downforce. Former Ferrari engineer Rob Smedley explained to F1. The information then goes back to the aerodynamics team, and they can then use that data in order to then optimize and improve the upstream flow structure generation.